Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll show you this simple but beautiful makeup look. So without wasting time, let's get started. I already cleaned and moisturized my skin, so I'll start by priming my face. For that, I'm using Color by Flawless Finish Primer and applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in shade Natural Buff and applying all over my face and neck. Then using a damp beauty blender, I'm blending this all. Off camera, I did my eyebrows and now applying eyeshadow base and blending it too. Now for concealer, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in shade medium and after applying, I'm blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Porcelain and using Beauty Blender applying on my face. Now I will contour my face. For that I am using NYX Professional Makeup Matte Body Bronzer Deep Tone and applying on cheekbone, on jawline and on nose. Now for eyeshadow, I am using Makeup Revolution Ultra 32 eyeshadow palette Flawless 4 and first taking this color and applying outer V area of my eyelid. Then slowly blending it. Now I am picking up these two colors and applying just on it and on crease area. Then I am taking this color and applying on it and blending everything nicely. Now taking this color and applying on outer area. Then again blending with other colors. Now taking my concealer brush, I am cleaning my eyelid area. Then taking the shimmer color and applying on eyelid. Then again taking this color and blending the edges. Now for blush, I am taking this color and applying on cheekbone and on nose. Then using this color, I am highlighting my face. And then inner corner of my eyes and on brow bone. Now taking a maroon eye pencil, I am tight lining my waterline. Then applying black color on my lower lash line. And then this color. Then applying Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Then using the same pencil, I am lining my lips. Then applying Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick Fighter. And then applying Wet n Wild Mega Lush Lip Color Pink Sugar on it. Then quickly I wore my saree. And one by one all my ornaments. And then red bindi. So this is the complete look. Let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.